With more and more enterprises consolidating their relational databases on one product, data conversion from one RDBMS to another gets more and more attention. Proving that all the data has been migrated correctly is the key success criterion in such a project. DataMatch perfectly addresses this concern, and this video will illustrate how intuitive and easy this validation process is. The data conversion in this DB2 to Oracle use case was done with Anubex's DataTurn for SQL. How this data conversion was executed and its typical challenges is covered in another dedicated video. Additionally, DataMatch can be used in the context of a legacy migration project from, for example, Natural-Adabas or IDMS as a powerful testing tool. Another video addresses this use case. DataMatch is a powerful, scriptable database comparison tool developed by Anubex. DataMatch has two use cases. 1. Validating the correctness of a data conversion. And 2. Automatic testing of batch jobs and programs in a migration project. Using DataMatch reduces testing effort dramatically with any migration and increases the confidence that all data has been migrated successfully. For both the DB2 and Oracle databases, a connection is defined in our project workspace. The actual comparison of the tables in the databases is executed by so-called DataMatch operations files, and DataMatch has the functionality to generate these automatically for you. We select the option for a two-way generation, as we will compare two databases in this example. The three-way generation from the Below menu option is used only in the context of testing a migrated application and is outside the scope of this introduction video. This generation process consists of 6 steps that we will walk through next. First, we select the original database in DB2 as the reference connection. In step 2, we select the target connection to the migrated Oracle database. The third step is to select the tables from the reference database that we want to compare. In our example, we will use the following 2 tables: artist and customer. In step 4, we confirm the location of our DataMatch mapping file. The standard comparison options proposed by DataMatch are good to go for our test. Finally, we point out where to store the generated DataMatch operation files. DataMatch now generates a test between the source and target databases. Once this is done, we can look at the generated operation files, one for each table we will compare. We execute each operation file to perform the actual data comparison. The results of each comparison are stored in the results folder, where we can examine them in detail. A small icon in front of the dataset already indicates a 100% success or any differences. The first tested dataset for the artist table shows that the migration has been completed 100% successfully. All rows of data have been converted and all columns have been migrated successfully. The second tested dataset for the customer table shows 3 errors. DataMatch has detected 2 modified rows and 1 deleted row. We can now go into the dataset to find the differences, marked in red. One of the modified rows, for example, is missing an accent in the address column. We also see that one row has not been migrated. The project team can now deal with these differences, and when they have fixed the problem, the test can be run again until no differences show. For more information on DataMatch, check the Anubex website or get in touch on migrations@anubex.com.